你们好，我是依依。I want to share a problem of my current life with your guys today. Some of your guys know that I currently live in America, and actually I came to here 1 year ago, but I have never talked to local people because I'm scared and I'm not confident about my English. And also my husband always help me. I have been teaching Chinese online for 6 years. Although all my students can speak English fluently, but I have very few opportunities to talk to them face to face. And also, the local people are not my students, so I'm even more scared to talk to them. But I want to change. I want to talk to the local people. I want to make friends here. So today I'm going to look for a local stranger here. And try to talk to him or her and ask if I can share a small Chinese talk with him or her. And I will record this. I'm so nervous now. My God, I'll record this and update it later. 今天我要在这里教中文。
这是哪儿？
教堂，这是教堂。
为什么是教堂？
因为教堂的人看起来更友好，他们应该不会笑我的英语吧？快点，走快一点！ Look！ 我太紧张了 ，Oh my God！ So maybe that guy. Oh my God! I'm so nervous now. Hey, are you on the phone? Are you on the phone? I'm sorry, so you go ahead. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you so much. So my camera is there, and I'll be back soon. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you. I got the first one about Chinese or Chinese language.
Not really, but people talk. It's a heavy language.
You know, it is hard language. That's it, right?
Yeah, just too much going this.
Go up and go down, something like this,
yeah.
right? Today, I'm going to share useful talk with you. But before that, I'm going to show you first, and you listen carefully and try to imitate it. So the sentence is, 我喜欢圣经.
Say it again.
我喜欢圣经.
我喜
欢圣经. 圣经.
Oh my God!
Touch your toe. Touch here. Could you touch your toe?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. So when you say G, you can feel your throat go up, right? It's going up. If you go down, and then you will turn into another tone because tones make the meaning different in Chinese. So if you say Jing, it becomes another word and then another meaning, right? Yeah. So it would be Jing. And stay there. It doesn't go down. Jing. Yes, this one doesn't go down, right? 你好。
我喜欢圣经，你呢？
我也喜欢圣经。哦，我记得了，